So today I will be doing a short talk on mining and its effects on the environment. So basically what is mining? Mining is a process that involves extracting valuable materials or geologic materials from the earth, such as from an ore body, lode, vein, seam, reef, or placer deposit. Resources that are obtained through mining such as metals, minerals, petroleum, natural gas, and jewels are of economic interest to the miners since these resources cannot be grown agriculturally nor created artificially. The effect on mankind and the environment is profound and has both positive and negative sides. However, in most cases, it has a lasting negative effect and serious impact that is irreversible. Environmental crisis has emerged due to the rapid population growth and massive industrial development in many parts of the world, including the Philippines. The environmental damage caused by mankind has grown, and it has a visible impact in our community and the people involved. One of the major contributors of the disruption of ecological balance is the mining industry, both during the mining activity and even after the mine has closed. The environment may be affected through sinkhole formation, loss of biodiversity and soil, groundwater, and surface water contamination by chemicals from mining processes. Aside from that, the contamination from chemical leakage also affects the health of the local population. Due to irresponsible mining industries, the Philippines is one of the countries in the world facing serious environmental deterioration and degradation. The Philippines has been ranked as the fifth most mineralized country in the world, with the third largest deposits of gold, fourth for copper, fifth for nickel, and sixth for chromite. Other target materials include quartz, mica, iron, gypsum, feldspar, calcite, and sulfur. Some target non-metallic minerals are sand and gravel, limestone, marble, clay, and other quarry materials. Historically, as early as 1521, mining has been known in the Philippines, in which native Filipinos have been panning gold in several parts of the country, even before the arrival of foreign invaders. Copper has also been cultivated at early times for some major purposes and played a major role in trade between the Chinese and the Filipinos. One of the principal laws that gave perspective on the Philippines mining system is the Republic Act 7942, which is also known as the Philippine Mining Act of 1995. It was instituted to govern the exploration, development, utilization, and processing of all mineral resources within the territory and exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. Moreover, it also protects and safeguards the environment, which is stated in Chapter 11, Section 63 of Republic Act 7942, that all contractors and permittees shall strictly comply with all the mine safety rules and regulations as may be promulgated by the Secretary concerning the safe and sanitary upkeep of the mining operations and achieve waste-free and efficient development. However, even with the Philippine Mining Act of 1995 in place, the provisions seem to be neglected and ineffective. The operation and management of the mining industry in the Philippines negate the principles provided by law, which contributes to environmental deterioration and degradation. According to one study published in the late 1990s by the Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism, mining is one of the commercial activities ranked next to logging, which contributes to the damage upon terrestrial and hydrological resources, and which also created uproar for environmentalists and advocates for biodiversity. One of the effects in the environment is the tailing of bodies of water, which negatively impacts the biodiversity in our system. Moreover, mined out areas can rarely be farmed and rehabilitated, which may deem areas to be unusable instead of creating other ways for the area to be utilized. Mining also emits harmful substances in the environment that is damaging. One example would be the contamination and pollution of mercury in bodies of water, which may cause destruction of vegetation and groundwater resources.